Hello, how you doing? Hope you're doing great. So I just want to talk really quick about this program from Savonia University. Um Application opens today, the 1st of October 2024. And the amazing thing about this admission, it's the admissions criteria. I love it because there is no entrance exam. The selection method is an interview. The program is a bachelor's program in engineering, information, technology, and it's a full-time study. And also, it's a direct application. So direct application in the sense that you don't have to it's not joint. So the university get to decide what selection method they want to use. So, and it's not it's a separate application and it's direct in the sense that they just contact you if they see that, oh, this individual, this student has all the requirements, then they send you a link. It's gonna be a Zoom link for an interview, and then you have a one-on-one interview with them, and then if they make the decision that, okay, we want you as a student, they'll send you an admission letter which you must accept your study place within 7 days, and after that pay your fees in order to get the early bird discount, and then you're good to go. So you start processing your application, your residence permit application. The good thing about this application is that you have enough time because studies begin in August. That's August 2025. So, for example, if you have your, let's say um at your interview in November, because the application period is just a week. It's just gonna be open for a week from the 1st of October to the 7th of October. So if you have the money, I'm saying you have the money because I'm gonna talk about the fees. If you have the money, then just apply right away. And if, for example, you're thinking, oh, um, I I don't have this or that document. Maybe I can apply in 2 weeks' time. No, it's just for a week. All right. So it's for those of you who have your international English language test ready. You have all your certificates ready. That's the upper secondary school. So it's the same at eligibility criteria that you use for all bachelor's programs in University of Applied Science. So you don't need to have master's or bachelor's. No, all you need is your upper secondary school certificate. Now, like I mentioned, interviews will be conducted between November 2024 to January 2025. Now, about the fees, which is my main concern, it is really expensive. The fees is 9,700 euros. And after paying the early bird, like, or with deducting the early bird discount, you are gonna pay 7,760 euros. So if you have that money, you can go ahead and apply. There's a very high probability that you will get the admission. So if you're someone who is like, I can't wait till January or February to apply in the joint application, and also I don't want to do the entrance exam, then this is for you. All right. So you can go ahead and apply. And just a quick look about the admission procedure. It's just an interview, and it's a personal interview. And all you need is a laptop or a phone, as long as you download the Zoom app on your phone and make sure your camera is ready. If you're using a laptop, make sure you have a web camera. So those are just the main things, like nothing else. Um, yeah, as for the result, they will let you know once all the interviews have been organized. Okay, and you have just 7 days, like I mentioned, to accept your study place. If not, you're gonna lose it. Studies begin end of August 2025. Now, this is the fees I'm talking about. So it's quite expensive. Savonia University of Applied Sciences is one of my best universities when it comes to affordable fees. But a lot of change, like there's just so much that is going on in Finland, and you can see a university in Kuopio is charging 9,700 euros for a bachelor program. You can imagine. Kuopio, it's quite far from Helsinki. I'm talking about Tampere. I'm not talking about like really far. So who could have, even imagined something like this? Because Kuopio, Pietarsaari, all those, universities, like, not that they are not good, but the distance and also um availability of job and all those things they take into consideration as well. So then you could pay. I think I had applied for someone, and when I just started talking about Savonia University, and then they were paying 1,800 euros for fees, 1,800. So you can imagine, and it's been 4 years now, and look at the increase. Who knows? Maybe in in 2 years' time, we'll be seeing 12,000 euros for a bachelor program. Because if I have to give my honest opinion about this, then instead of paying this amount for a program in Copy, unless that program is something you really want to study, it's better for you to apply for a program in Helsinki and pay this amount. You get why, you know. But this is a good program, and also the fact that you don't need to go through the hustle of like entrance exam. So if you have the money, you can go ahead and pay. All right. So I just thought it wise to bring this to your notice. You can head to study info and check. Savonia University have like other open applications, so just check them. Just go to study info and just browse through. Just check, what's going on, separate applications, ongoing application. Who knows? You may see something. All right. So yeah, it's actually late, yeah, but I just wanted to talk about this because it may help someone out there. So I hope this was helpful to you. Please like this video, share with your friends, and see you when next you see me. Thank you so much for watching.